Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need iOS 26 and CarPlay active. Once that is confirmed, connect your iPhone to the car with a certified cable or wireless pairing. Open Settings, then CarPlay, pick your vehicle, and make sure apps can display. Next, launch YouTube on the phone and enable background app refresh and required permissions so audio and playback controls can work through CarPlay. Start with the car parked. This prevents safety locks. Now, you're ready to move into the integration steps. Once connected, use an approved CarPlay-capable app or a compatible wrapper that exposes YouTube playback to CarPlay. This is necessary because the native CarPlay layout restricts video. Install that app, sign into your Google account, and select YouTube as a source inside the app. Make sure audio output is routed to CarPlay via Control Center. This ensures sound plays through the car speakers. Then test play a short video and confirm play. Pause and skip, respond to CarPlay and steering wheel controls. Finish by running a full test. Play videos, switch playlists, and confirm playback resumes after brief interruptions. If audio drops or controls fail, restart your iPhone and the car system, then reconnect. Often this clears routing glitches. Make sure iOS 26 and all apps are updated and that the cable is not charge only. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback is blocked, check that the car is detected as parked or that the third-party wrapper has background audio permission. This single fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.